Hey guys, welcome back to week 2 of the Halloween Spotlight Challenge. This week's theme is Nightmare Before Christmas. We have 2 spotlight artists this week. Our first one is Miss Jennifer here, so make sure you go check out her. And we also have Miss Nayely, and she has a couple of channels, so you definitely want to go and check her stuff out. All the links and everything will be in the description, so if you have any questions on where to go check them out, just click that description box below and everything will be there. So we're going to do a full press-on set. They're mostly press-ons because it's focusing on the art itself. So all of these nails will have a chrome finish to them. So let's get started with our artist, and we are going to start with Miss Jennifer. So her information is going to come up here in a second, and you can find her YouTube and Instagram channel. I mean, look at this beautiful lady. She is wonderful, guys. She is very, very talented. She can do polygel. She can also do acrylics. I mean, she's very creative. These looks are gorgeous. I mean, look at her shaping and application. Oh my God, she's got wonderful application videos. She's even willing to put clay on her face and put that on there. I mean, come on, guys. She is amazing. Look at the set she did last week. You have to go check her out. YouTube, Instagram, also available in the description. Go find her information. Go check out her channel. She is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. You will not regret doing that in any way, shape, or form. Trust me, Jennifer is an amazing, amazing lady. Okay, so I'm going to say it. Nail wraps are hard. I don't seem to understand why they're not as easy for me as they seem to be for other people in their videos. I have put the little slits in them, as people have said, and I still get those little corner tents. I have heated them up and stretched them out. I don't understand. If you have anything else that you can suggest, please let me know down in the comments. I will gladly take any suggestion you have. So our next spotlight artist is going to be Miss Nayely of Nayely Nailed It. So make sure you go check out her channel and her Instagram. She posts some awesome stuff. She also has an ASMR channel, which is really cool to watch. So go look at that. I mean, look at these beautiful sets she has. She's amazing. She can do acrylics. She can do other people's nails. She can do polygel. She can do gel art. Y'all, look at how gorgeous she is. I mean, seriously, come on. She's also willing to talk about very personal things that a lot of us go through ourselves. So you have to go look at her channel. I mean, her set from last week's challenge was amazing. Definitely go check her out as well. The links are all in the description box below. Make sure after this video, you go straight over to their channels and subscribe, and Instagram, and hit follow. Both of them are well worth it. You will not be disappointed in any way. Trust me. So as with my usually longer videos, I am no way, shape, or form going to talk through this entire thing. Can be very repetitive. It's basically just drawing these characters on these nails, curing over and over again. And I cut the curing out because Lord knows you wouldn't want to sit for that for hours and hours. So just make sure when you get good detail painted on your nails that you're happy with, make sure you cure that. Otherwise you can end up messing up and wiping it off and having to do it all over again. And that is a whole process. So I shall be back towards the end. So make sure you watch because these characters are very cool. And yeah, watch it. So as usual, my phone and I were playing Storage Wars and I lost. So this video does not continue to show the rest of his character development here. But I do appreciate you guys watching as always. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Make sure you hit those notification bell as well so you can see when I do upload. And then go over to Instagram so that you can follow and see all the fun stuff and crazy shenanigans that go on over there. Also, again, don't forget to go subscribe to Miss Jennifer and Miss Nayely's channels. Again, in the description box are all of the links. I greatly appreciate you guys yet again. Thank you so much and have a good day.